Hello children, this is a time for recapitulation. Let's recapitulate first chapter from geography, India, size and location. First we will see first we will talk about the location of India. Let's talk about its latitude. The latitudinal extent of India is from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. The longitudinal extent of India is from 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Next topic is size. The total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. Its total 2.4% of total area of world. India is seventh largest country area wise. The total land boundary of India is 15,200 km. The coastline length is 7,516.6 km. There is a line, standard meridian of India. It is crossing through Mirzapur, which is in UP, and the extent is 82 degree 30 minutes east. This is the degree of standard meridian of India. This standard meridian is dividing India equally in two sides, in two parts, east and west. And all over India, we are following the time of Mirzapur to avoid any kind of confusion, because sun rises in east first, and after that it earth due to rotation of earth, there is a gap of time between east and western area. Like if we talk about Manipur and if we talk about Gujarat, there is almost a gap of 2 hours between the time of these two areas. So to avoid any kind of confusion, we are supposed to follow one time, common time all over India, and we are following the time of Mirzapur, because this standard meridian of India, which is crossing through Mirzapur, is dividing India equally in two parts, and we are following the time of this area. Let's discuss another point. The regions which are near equator, they are receiving straight sunlight from the sun, and that is why in those regions, in equatorial region, the duration of day and night is equal. But as we move away from equator towards the pole, towards the northern and southern region, as we start moving away from equator, the nights are found longer and days are shorter, as like in Kashmir. The next topic is India and the world. India has got central location in Indian Ocean, and since ancient time, because of its having good location, India is having lot of advantages. The first advantage is that India has good contact with other countries since ancient time. If we see from the point of view of land, we have land boundaries with various countries, as well as in sea, in ocean, we have good connectivity through oceanic routes with different countries. India is having various neighboring countries. India has very good position in South Asia location wise. Through land boundaries, we have following neighbors like Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. If we talk about our sea neighbors, we have Maldives and Sri Lanka. So this, as a whole, this is the recapitulation of geography chapter 1, India, size and location. Please just read the entire chapter one more time, read all the important points, and watch this video again and again to clear your concepts. Goodbye.